He's looking like such a nice Sharif person now. You watch the movie, you'll understand the madness of Mr. Roshan Andrews. Some words, Roshan, please, from you.
गुड इवनिंग। ये मेरा पहला पिक्चर है यहाँ मुंबई में। सेव द डेट फॉर 31st of January. I love Mumbai. This is my love for Mumbai. Thank you.
Now I want to call the man with the money, the man who's made this happen. First you, Sid, then the guy, then the bank. So, Mr.
It's a huge honor and huge privilege to be able to share the teaser with you guys today. I think Shahid and I have worked together multiple times in the past, but this has been one experience that I don't think we're ever going to forget, and you'll all know why on the 31st of Jan.
उनके साथ वो रिएक्शन ले रहा हो. What was the idea behind this?
एक्चुअली बड़ा सिंपल है यार, ये पूरी फिल्म हमने मुंबई में बनाई है और देवा की मैडनेस जो है वो मुंबई की मैडनेस है और कैरेक्टर का नाम है देव, लेकिन उसमें एक ए भी है. सो हम सब के अंदर दो तरह के जानवर होते हैं, है ना. लव यू ब्रो, लव यू. 2 मिनट मुझे बोलने देना बेटा, फिर मैं पर्सनली आऊँगा तेरे पास. But I love you. Thank you, bhai. So, you know, there is a Deva in us also, and there is an Asur also in us. And this film is about seeing two personalities in one character. और I think मुंबई भी ऐसा ही है. मुंबई में बहुत खूबसूरती है और कुछ edgy चीज़ें भी है. That is what makes Mumbai so special. So we had to share it with the जनता, और ये जनता के लिए पिक्चर है. We've made it for the audience, and Deva needs to be expressed in front of people and with the janta, so we wanted to come here and share this film with you, open in front of everybody. It will be out on the 31st of Jan, and Deva is a piece of my heart. मुझे बहुत सालों से लोग कह रहे थे यार एक मासी पिक्चर करो, एक फिल्म करो जहाँ पे you go out there and do it for the masses. So मेरे लिए this is that next step in my journey of doing a character जो लोगों के लिए है, and it's been probably my most challenging film as an actor yet. Very challenging for me to do as an actor. और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इस कैरेक्टर के अंदर जो मैं ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहता. आप लोग 31st जैन को देखिए. आपके अंदर, सबके अंदर एक देवा है, तो आप उसे एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए. और it's the magic of the filmmaker Roshan. It's the hard work of Sid, Umesh, and the entire team. All these guys who are standing right here. You know, my team is here. Chanchal is here, my entire team is here, all my people are here, Anjali from marketing is here, Insia is here who's been on the film throughout. जो भी हैं यहाँ पे मैं, I mean everybody has been here, it's everybody's hard work. और हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है ये फिल्म. और मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ कि पैसा वसूल पिक्चर है, बहुत मजा आएगा. 31st Jan.
Deva said it, पैसा वसूल है. Roshan sir, quick question for you, है ना. इतना ही कहना चाहेंगे कि ये जो रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ पे देखा है, वी सेइंग दैट इट इज योर हिंदी डेब्यू, हिंदी में पहली बार कुछ बना रहे, बट ये जो इंटेंसिटी वीव सीन इस जेंटलमैन से यहाँ पे और जो स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, सर क्या क्या गया, कितनी मेहनत गई इसके पीछे, एंड द रिस्पॉन्स दैट वी आर गेटिंग, यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट दैट सर.
सी हर निर्देशक एक डायरेक्टर का मन को एक सपना होता है. देवा इज माई ए ड्रीम. सो ड्रीम को पूरा करने के लिए मुझे एक प्रोड्यूसर चाहिए था who support me, that is Siddharth Roy Kapoor Films and C Studio. But ये सब कुछ हो गया एक ही आदमी के वजह से. एक ही आदमी ने yes बोला, that is my brother Shahid Kapoor. So this cinema is that. मैं कुछ और बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. 31st is the best day to judge the film because जनता आप लोगों के पास मैं पिक्चर देता हूँ. It's all yours. Deva is yours now. Thank you.
Thank you so much sir. Of course, the man behind Deva, उनसे ज़्यादा मैं कुछ पूछ भी नहीं सकता हूँ यहाँ पे. So you've said it, वो full stop लगा दिया. Sir, quickly, of course, from the producers. Sir, एक बड़ी basic सी चीज़ है, organic है. मैं कह रहा हूँ जो response यहाँ पे मिल रहा है, you have to talk about it, sir, and you have to thank the fans here, sir.
No, thank you all. Thank you all so much for your enthusiasm, for your passion, for your love. Since the morning, it's been incredible the sort of messages that we've been getting. I think all I'd like to say is that, you know, something like this springs from the mind of an artist who's consumed and passionate about what they do, and Roshan Andrews is that man. And I think Shahid, myself, Umesh, we've all served his vision. It happens to be his 50th birthday tomorrow. I'm sorry for giving his age away.
Yeah, you're not supposed to tell them the age, yeah. Sit.
I mean, he doesn't look more than 40, but you know, what the hell. So, a big round of applause and a very happy birthday to Roshan in advance for giving us this gift today. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. देवा के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you, guys. We love you all. We love you all. Thank you for the love. This is all for you guys. Thank you. We love you. Thank you.
We'll do a quick picture with the entire